Good morning, Baler! Another mini vlog from Team Lariosa. Dito nga pala kami sa Ohana Beach House ng check-in. This is a modern beachfront villa with 3 rooms. The water is so clear, and talaga namang mag-e-enjoy yung mga bata sa sand. Dito pala namin sinelebrate ang second birthday ng aking pamangkin. Please follow me for more travel vlogs. Thank you. Team Lariosa, first time to try one of the coolest activity in Baler, surfing. 500 pesos ang charge dito per head for 1 hour surfing with free board and instructor na rin. Pwede din ang bata dito as early as 5 years old.
You can visit Makulit Surf page for more info.
Part 2 ng aming surfing in Baler mini vlog. After makailang bagsak-bagsak, finally, we did it. Natuto kami mag-surfing within 2 days. Sumaki talaga ang mga balikat at hita namin. Overall, this is a fun experience and nag-enjoy talaga ang kids. Paulit-ulit silang nag-surfing. A must-try experience when you go to Baler. Please follow me for more travel vlogs. Thank you.
From Team Lariosa. Nag-ikot-ikot din kami sa Baler. Pinuntahan namin ang rock formation, Baler Science, Baler Museum, Hanley Bridge, at iba't ibang activities. Please follow me for more travel vlogs. Thank you.
Team Lariosa Adventures. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.